Sohaila Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Shola Ghorbandi. I know the name is a little bit complicated. The name is from Afghanistan, the dish is from Afghanistan. Actually, this Shola Ghorbandi is consisting of two dishes. The first one is rice, short grain rice, cooked with mung beans. It's the texture is sticky, it's very soft but full of flavor, and you will love and enjoy it. The second one is lamb curry. I'll be making a lamb curry with boneless lamb, along with split lentils, and it has a very good tomato sauce. This curry is also full of flavors. You can substitute the boneless lamb with bone-in lamb or lamb shanks, or you can substitute it with beef if you prefer beef over lamb. And both of these recipes, as I said already, very delicious and full of flavors, and you can cook either or of these recipes by itself, and it will be very delicious. But I recommend cooking both of these dishes together as the whole complete meal. And I usually make this for my family. We love and enjoy it, and honestly, this is my favorite dish. I'll be back and show you how to make these two delicious Afghan dishes from start to finish. Thank you for joining me today.